Hi, my name is Amanda Randell Cox and I'm a tutor for the British Academy of Floral Art, and today I'm going to show you how to make a floral headdress using a plaiting method, just like you would plait your hair. You are going to be needing some bendy plant material, and I have here 3 strands of ivy, which is going to be the core for making our crown. I have some beautiful little hellebores, and what's really good about this is that their seed heads have started as well, which means that they will last a little bit longer. Some Senecchio, these little leaves add a great amount of texture. I also have some Pyrrhus flowers, which are wonderful that they add this extra bit of texture in there. Some beautiful heuchera leaves with their fantastic veining, and some Mahonia berries, and last some nice full Artemisia. Let me show you how it's made. To begin, you need to take a little bit of reel wire and take your ivy leaves allowing for a little bit of length at the end, just in case you don't make it big enough. You take your wire and you attach it. If you go round twice and then twist the 2 ends together, taking the longer piece all the way to the end of the wire. This means you don't have any sharp bits. Then all you have to do is you start adding your flower. So we'll start with a nice piece of Artemisia. You hold it down the middle one and you just bring the side over, exactly like you would a plait. Take another leaf and bring the ivy over that as well. Once you get going, you'll see how stable the leaves are. Let's put in here a nice chunky piece of Pyrrhus. So we're just going to go over that. It doesn't matter if you're crushing a few flowers, don't worry about it. And then a Mahonia berry. Bring the ivy over to catch it in. Make sure all your little stragglers are caught inside. You can save all your really special flowers for around the front of your crown. I'll add a lovely leaf here, and again secure it with the ivy. Let's put in a little flower here now. Will look beautiful against that leaf. And you just keep adding like this until you've reached the right length for your head. When you get to the end and you can't plait anymore, then it's a good idea to take a little bit more reel wire and just make sure that the ends are secured and finished off. So if you go round twice, twist the wires together and take the longest wire all the way to the end so that you don't have any sharp bits. And then you lay that piece of wire down and you have these nice trails, which is how you're going to attach the other end. You then need to hold that up. So as you can see here underneath, all of the stems have been woven into the other with the ivy, and what you can do is, just so that there aren't any scratchy or sticky out bits that are sticking in your head, is just bend those loose little stems back into the weave. So I've bound these quite tightly, so it's quite difficult to get those stems back in, but you can just bend them in so that they're nice and neat on the bag. And then you bring the two ends together, and this is where you need to make sure that you can get the right size for your head. So just attach those wires there together, and where you've got the long bits from before, you can just simply wound those round to catch them in. Trim any bits you don't need, leaving some nice leaves on there, and do that on the other side. And there you are, a plaited headdress. When you have finished attaching the back, you can just place it on your head and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.